Deskjet open Deskjet. Okay, open Deskjet. Okay, yes, you look in the surreal Deskjet. It is Deskjet black. Okay, this one. This one. We open cover. Open cover printer, and you look in here. This here for Deskjet all, and this Deskjet open. You press down. Okay, you change this Deskjet all, and this new Deskjet. Okay, this is a sensor. You open sensor step by step. Okay, no touch to sensor. Okay, step by step to open. Okay, that's why I'm looking here, and put Deskjet in printer. You press up. Okay, press down to change and press up. Okay, this close cover, and this white print, and okay, is looking here. This is automatic printing. You're testing printing new Deskjet. Okay, this is normal Deskjet print. This is why I am testing print again. Testing print again for the print. Print. Printer error. Yes. Okay, stop it.